Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing out there today? Alright, I am here today to show you how to basically integrate text message marketing in with your marketing system. Okay, in other words, we've got a sales funnel that incorporates text message marketing, okay, to help you promote Easy One Up. Okay, and that system is called the Vertex Lead System. Okay, I am on one of the pages, okay, that we have for the Vertex system. Okay, this is how we're going to lead our prospects in. Let me show you. I use a page like this. Okay, this is a way to incorporate text message marketing with you here. Okay, so see this page? Okay, I'll use this page. I will send a text message through my SMS phone leads system. Okay, text message, and I lead them to a page like this. Okay, you lead them here. As you can see, it says make 20 to 1,000 a day. It's $20 that you're going to make on the SMS phone lead system. Okay, and then remember, Easy One Up is incorporated in that, and that's where you get your high ticket commissions on the back end. Okay, and we do have pre-written text messages. Okay, so you send a text to your prospects to a page like this. Okay, then it takes them to a page like this. Okay, once they opt in, okay, let me just show you. And this is going to do the selling and telling for us. So in essence, we're promoting the Easy One Up system and the SMS phone lead system all in one. Okay, so once they opt in, they get a page like this. It talks about getting traffic, leads, and endless $20 bills using simple voice and text message. So when they click here, it takes them to the SMS phone lead system. Okay, but on this same page, okay, right here is the video for Easy One Up. Okay, see right here, 6 video. Want to use your new message system to easily make a lot more money with no extra work. Because what you've done is and you can see it brands you. Okay, so what you've done is you gave them a capture page. Once they enter the information in, it's going to sell them on Easy One Up and the texting platform as well. So when they click here, which I'm going to show you that in a sec. Okay, so you come down, let me just show you how it brands you guys. You have your picture here, your phone number and everything, and they can click here to take them straight to Easy One Up so they can join. Or right here, they can request a call back. Okay, and you'll be notified via email of that. But if they click here, want to know how to get those $20 bills, they click there, and it's going to take them to my SMS phone leads page where they can, get the $20 system. Okay, and then right here they can call the number, test it, and see how it works. It's a demo. Okay, so check this out. So it takes you right over to the SMS phone leads page so that they can join SMS phone leads. Okay, so you incorporating Vertex Lead System, Easy One Up, SMS phone leads all together in one system right here. Okay, collect instant commissions, $20 if you get this system. Okay, and right here is where they would join your SMS phone leads. So you're looking at you're being able to make $20 up to, actually Easy One Up now goes up to $2,000. So anywhere from $20 to $2,000 promoting one link, SMS phone leads, and Easy One Up, and the Vertex Lead System, because you're using the Vertex system to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, and that system is only $97. All right, let's see here. Hold on a second. I just want to show you here. This is our marketing system for Easy One Up and the text message marketing SMS phone leads. You get pages, maybe 24 or so capture pages, guys. The 24/7 video presentation that does all the selling and telling for you. This is a business in a box by itself. It has all your contacts are in here. It has resources to teach you how to market online. It's a turnkey system. It has a 24/7 sizzle number that your prospects can listen to. You can also integrate this with Aweber or any other third-party autoresponder if you like as well, or you can just let this system collect your leads for you, okay? And it's just a one-time, guys. And if you become a reseller, you spend another $50, so it'll be 97 plus 50 if you want to become a reseller and resell this system. And every time someone does the Vertex system from you, you will make $50, okay? And that's instant commission as well. You can receive your payments via PayPal. You can do Stripe, Square with this as well, okay? So get this system. This system will promote the SMS phone leads, Easy One Up, and Vertex Lead System within itself, okay? It's going to do all the marketing for you to get you more signups through your Easy One Up business, okay? This is an all-in-one system, so spend the $97 is well worth it, especially for the commissions you're going to be making with Easy One Up, okay, if you're positioned at the right levels, the higher levels, all right? So I'll put the link below for the VLS system and the SMS phone lead system so that you get that set up. Well, as a matter of fact, I'm just going to put the one link and you can go in here. But if you want to promote any other business, it doesn't matter. You can use SMS phone leads for any other business as well, okay? It's just not going to be tied into the Vertex system. But you can use it to promote any business out there. SMS phone leads, because you're basically just texting prospects to their mobile phones, and you're going to put your link in there, and they're going to go to whatever offer it is you want up. You still can get the SMS phone lead system, all right? All right, guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that notification bell that says you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? And reach out to me if you have any questions about the explanation of everything I just explained. Okay, I look forward to working with you guys. I am a full-time internet marketer, and I look forward to helping you get started, okay, today. So give me a call, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.